everyone. I am Khushi Gupta, the host of today's webinar, and our today's topic is stress management in pandemic. And for representing that topic, we have with us a very renowned Ms. Shivani Seth. She is a certified counselor, forensic psychologist, and trained career practitioner. And I'm sure she'll gonna tell us about each and every aspect of stress and stress management and how to cope up with it.
Yeah. All right. I'll take over from here. Hello, everyone. As Khushi has already introduced me, I'll just talk about something about me apart from what I do and where from I. So, yeah, basically, I am just 23 years old and I have been into this field from past 4 years. I have always stood for the righteousness amongst a person. And with that aim in my mind, I have always planned up to open an institution or an organization where actually I'm helping out people and I'm empowering them to lead successful and inspirational life. So all this I've just learned from my parents. So definitely before beginning up with everything, I always, remember them and remind them. Yeah. So in today's sessions, we'll talk about what is stress. I'll give a brief introduction about what actually stress is. Stress is basically a biological response, जो हम कभी भी avoid नहीं कर सकते. It is something जो हर life के हर एक step पे हमें मिलेगा, and that is completely unavoidable. And there is a margin line difference between what is stress and what is chronic stress. Stress is a biological response, but chronic stress में वो कब convert हो जाता है, ये आपको भी नहीं पता चलता. उसको recognize करना is very important because उसकी वजह से there are certain illnesses that actually can harm the person. That actually is even death-taking in some cases. So recognition of stress and chronic stress is very important. Another aspect of stress is that it is not always negative. It is not always negative. It comes in a positive manner also, talking that, for example, if my brother has an exam tomorrow, and if he's taking stress for something or the other that he's not prepared of, that will become his motivation. That yes, if in his mind it's continuously going on, I'm not prepared. That would actually help him to get up and study more. तो स्ट्रेस हमेशा एक नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट नहीं है, ये एक मोटिवेशनल की तरह भी हमें वर्क करता है. बट जब हमारा स्ट्रेस एक एक्सटेंशन हो जाता है, हमारी बॉडी फिजिकल नीड्स पे इफेक्ट करने लग जाता है, हमारा मेंटल इट स्टार्टिंग building us that guilt that I am not working up to the level that I should. Many reasons are there behind that. I'll talk in details in further. So because of that rapid thought process, the stress becomes a threat for an individual to survive in. There are many signs and symptoms. See, like I've said, that stress is something very unavoidable. It goes on every step with our life. We just have to just prepare us that how we are gonna make this possible, how we are gonna overcome this stress, and we are gonna achieve the certain goal. So I would talk about the triggers that actually stress is triggered by. So some of the factors are maybe a toxic relationship for few. It could be the work pressure. It could be challenging relationships or the parental demands that my child has to be a doctor or an engineer while I want to be a musician. Or it could be also it could be also the work pressure that 24/7 I don't have time for myself, I can't hang out with my friends. So these are very basic factors that can actually cause a lot of stress in one's life. Then I'll speak about what signs and symptoms of stress do we actually have as an individual. See, there are three major categories. First, I'll talk about behavioral. Second, I'll talk about physiological. And third, I'll talk about psychological. In behavioral, the individual actually tends to complete his entire being, where either he or she started talking too much or not talking at all. Either I'm being interactive too much, not being interactive at all. So there is a contraction between that. Then eating too much, not eating at all. Constantly having nervousness and, just chirping or murmuring some of the other thing. That mama, I have to do this, I have to do that. Students tend to do that when they have, their boards exam coming. So being a teacher myself, being an academic instructor as well, I have observed people actually turning from this to this. So the
Yes.
level of stress has to be talked about in our daily lives, and it is very important for us to realize the essentiality of talking about mental health in our daily life. Yeah, that was the introduction of this topic.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the questions, ma'am. So मेरा first question आपसे ये है कि we can see like ancient time में लोग चल के traveling करते थे, but then as we have heard आवश्यकता आविष्कार की जननी है, तो लोगों
Right.
को नीड होने लगी कि यार हम 2 दिन में ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं, वो चीज हम 6 hours या 5 hours या 2 hours में भी तो कर सकते हैं. Then buses came, then trains, then aeroplanes. तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि स्ट्रेस के लिए भी, स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने के लिए इन फ्यूचर कुछ ऐसी चीजें आएंगी जिससे हम स्ट्रेस को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं.
Well, Khushi, that's a very contradicting statement that you have made, and yeah, but I'll talk about the positive aspect also and the negative also. First, I'll talk
Sure.
about the positive aspect. See, stress, like I've already said, that stress is something that can not just demotivate you in your entire life. It can also help you gain perspective. It can also motivate you to get up and keep working. कल मेरा एग्जाम है, मुझे पढ़ना चाहिए. So it is not always just negative. I'll talk about the positive side first. I think in today's technology, if we are taking classes virtually, all my sessions are just on virtual based. I'm working from home past 3 months. So it is all possible because of the technology that I have access to. But
Yes.
on the other side, I'm not saying that there are not people who still do not have this access. There are people who are still struggling. So many
Yes.
students have dropped out from their schools and colleges because they did not have access to internet. So definitely it's a contradictory statement that I'm going to make. But on the other side, we always have to balance the two things, negativity and positivity. We always have to balance the two things. I think in future, like you're talking further that ऐसे stress के लिए कोई आएगा कि management हो पाएगा. I think artificial intelligence is one of that element that I'll just speak about. It is basically, it will definitely help, and it will be the best gift to a human mankind that our history could ever get. But on the other side, I will not just say that it is positive, it is negative as well, because it is somewhere reducing my talent of working. Everything is become it's automatic. So what would I do? Where would I use my brains? How would I do the calculations? So I think it is also an aspect where unemployment in the future time, definitely it will increase. It would be a gift in one manner also, but on the other hand, it would again be contradictory. But my opinion is that it should always be balanced. It's all right if I have money and I'm accessing to all the things. But on the other side, I should always, be down to earth. And I should always look to people who are below me.
Yes.
Yeah. That's
Definitely. तो मैम आपने अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में बात की, तो मेरे माइंड में एक क्वेश्चन आया. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, तो जो लोग स्पेशली जो फ्रेशर्स है, ऑब्वियसली अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत पीक पॉइंट पे जा चुका है, एंड स्पेशली जो फ्रेशर्स हैं उनके लिए कंपनियां सेइंग कि लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा उसके बाद आप आना. तो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में लाइक उनको सैलरी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है, वो घर पे ऐसे ही बैठे. तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं ये एक स्ट्रेस जनरेट करता है इन द माइंड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि वो अभी प्लेस हुआ है एंड उसके सामने बहुत सारी सिचुएशन है, उसके सामने प्रेशर भी है, एंड पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग कि तू प्लेसमेंट ले लिया, अब तू घर पे बैठ के क्या करेगा, अब तू कैसे कमाएगा. तो देयर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स इन माइंड, राइट? आई जस्ट वांट टेल कि आप कुछ ऐसे कुछ टिप्स या ऐसी कुछ टैक्टिक्स बताएं हमें जिसमें स्टूडेंट एक ही चीज पे फोकस ना करे. लाइक देयर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ, तो उनपे भी उसके साथ साथ फोकस कर पाए. और अगर उसके पास उसका प्लेसमेंट नहीं है तो ठीक है, देयर आर लॉट मेनी कंपनीज जो अभी भी वर्क कर रही हैं. तो इफ यू हैव टैलेंट यू कैन गेट अ जॉब. So what are your mindset about this?
Khushi, I will not agree with the statement that if you have talent, you will get jobs, because see, we all know that COVID-19 is on its peak and there are millions of families who have actually been, displaced from their places. I'll tell you one daily example only from my cases that I'm dealing with currently. So there is this family of there are two siblings and there are parents. So they are a family of 4 and currently they put up on rent. The
Yes.
father's income is stopped, the mother is a housewife, and parents still have to pay the fees for their schools
Yes.
because they're studying in good private school. So where will that income come from? They do not have much savings because they always, have been from a middle class background. So
Yes.
I think it's not just about the talent. It depends on the field also in which you're working upon. See, for example, for teachers, it is very easy to take classes online. Definitely they are putting up all the efforts. But for the doctors on the other side, they can't treat their patients virtually.
Yes.
And going outside, visiting to a hospital in current situations, I think that's again something that can, cause danger to us. So I think it depends on the fields in which you're working upon. Your talent also sometimes can, betray you in some or the other manner.
Yes.
And personally, I am this kind of a person who believes in hard work, but also smart work is very important in today's generation. Yes.
Definitely.
So that I think we have to build slowly and steadily in the upcoming generations. Yeah. Another thing that I talk, just sticking to unemployment, that okay, I know that there are millions of people who have, just turned unemployed in this current situation. But this is a very serious issue of putting oneself into unhealthy habits. For example, taking drugs, smoking, alcoholism, divorce rates. I am a person who loves to research a lot. So recently I had been, just going through one journal. It was written by Deeman. He just mentioned that, divorce rates have just increased. Abortion rates, miscarriages. Why? Because violence are taking place.
Yes.
People are getting frustrated sitting at home. So unemployment is definitely a very, major factor of causing a stress and leading to chronic stress. So we should have that recognition within ourselves. So it is definitely a factor because there are millions of families who are, just dealing with their a person only with single background is dealing their entire family. So it is very difficult for them to cope up with.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. Okay. But again, I'll talk about how we can manage it. See, there are 4 that I personally and I truly believe in. Firstly is that I should accept. I should not be in just, in my dreams or daydreaming or overthinking things. I should accept that, yes, I am unemployed right now. Second is I should adapt to that. Adapting does not always means that, I will never work in future. But adapting is something where I'm adjusting, I'm compromising, yet on the other side, I'm not losing hope.
Yes.
Then the third point is where I will actually achieve my goals. I can think in a positive manner that yes, these 4 months, I can change my life either for the best or for the worst. So I have time with my family. I can, if I have done something really bad in my old times, for example, if I was on drugs and my family got to know it, or I'm a chain smoker and my family got to know it, because 4 months I cannot go out and smoke. I have to do it at my place. So it is basically what you can build your trust within your family. So if we see the positive side also, we have to, just see the negative side as well. Yeah, that's it, Khushi.
Yes, so we need to balance both the things, negative as well as positive.
Yes. For healthy balancing and healthy life, you have to balance the negativity also, the positivity also.
Exactly. But मैम ये होता है ना कि अगर हम बच्चों की बात करें तो वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं चीजों को जल्दी से.
ओके.
तो उसके क्या सॉल्यूशंस होंगे? लाइक अगर हमें किसी चीज को एक्सेप्ट करना है, ठीक है, नाउ अगर मैं मेरी बात करूं तो आई एक्सेप्ट द थिंग्स एज इट इज. मैं चीजों को चेंज करना नहीं चाहती, बट स्टिल बच्चे में ये चीज, ये एक मैच्योरिटी होना इज थोड़ा बहुत डिफिकल्ट. आई थिंक ऐसी कुछ ट्रिक्स जो आप सजेस्ट करना चाहेंगे कि हाँ वो इजीली वो चीजें एक्सेप्ट कर ले.
Okay, for that, I have currently, around 36 students whom I'm working with on their personality and, anger management and different techniques. Khushi, what I've observed in this generation is that I am not that old that I can't understand in their life. I am basically something who has to be a friend first. Then slowly and steadily I become their family. I do not, because I know the balance between how to take, personal and professional life. Another thing is that these days, students are basically not that, active. They have to be pushed from a family. Okay, I'll give you an example. So recently a case came where the child wanted to do something apart from what parents actually wanted. ठीक है, अब उसको इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस था इस बात का कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे बुरा बना देंगे सोसाइटी के सामने, they will talk about me, they will not acknowledge me like they used to acknowledge the elder brother.
Yes.
So that difference is that complex. A child turns to a criminal, a child turns to his best, both the manner, again I'm saying, from their home itself. वो बाहर बाद में आता है, वो पहले घर पे रहता है. So it completely depends on the parents and the grooming, how child is done. School is another secondary thing. But yes, again on the other side, see, disabilities, illnesses do not ask you before coming. It has to be recognized again by the primary parent or the primary guardian. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's and to understand the child, you have to turn to a child first. You have to, just put into your shoes. Being a counselor, it is sometimes, that emotional havoc in me where I literally cry all nights. Where, I scream at my places. I talk to my parents regarding it that, Mama, he's going through this much. What can I do for him? I feel very pity. I feel very bad for them. But definitely, because it's my profession, I definitely have to, step into their shoes to understand. And after doing that, trust me, that's the best satisfaction after helping a child. So वो equilibrium जो होता है emotions का, वो ठीक करना आपको आना चाहिए. I think that is why I've just chosen this profession, because my parents have always insisted me to stay strong in my entire life. I have also had a rough time throughout my life, but definitely it just changes, time passes by. So acceptance and being a good listener with the child is very important. Yeah.
Yes, that's true. I like that thing about you. Like you are investing a lot of time, kids के पीछे. अगर उन्हें stress है तो उन्हें manage कैसे करना है, and that is the important thing. I like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Okay, so अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप ऐसी कोई case study suggest करें और ऐसी कोई case study हमारे साथ share करें जिससे हमारी audience stress and उसके management से relate कर पाए.
Okay, so basically
हर किसी की लाइफ में होता है, right?
Definitely, and it is something जो आप avoid नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको stream choose करनी है. एक 11th grade का बच्चा वहाँ पे confused है. 12th के बाद graduation में क्या करूँ? Graduation के बाद post graduation and then parental pressure to get married. So stress is there throughout the life. And talking about India and our entire culture, they are actually very negative about these mental traumas. They don't understand that stress can turn to an illness, anxiety, depression, PTSD. There are so many things that stress can actually turn to. So it is always better to recognize, like I previously mentioned, that it has to be, there is a margin line difference between stress and chronic stress. If I don't recognize that time, it will definitely be an illness through which I can also die at one day. That can be the cause of my death. So for that, it has to be, very, what I'll suggest, that person has to turn to a very positive aspect. And even the family has the biggest role playing there.
Yes.
So it is, as for the child, it is very important to counsel the family also, to counsel the parent also.
Yes.
So I'll suggest few techniques where we can manage stress. Okay, firstly, you can put yourself into mindfulness. Mindfulness is basically a psychological term, which actually means you can, turn yourself into yoga or meditation. Where you're investing yourself, where, if, for example, being a girl myself, I like to shop a lot. So for me, a stress buster is shopping. For my brother, it could be dancing. For you, it could be singing. So, you just have to find that stress buster. There are many people who are actually running behind art classes. They are doing art therapies, expressive arts in psychological term. So it is basically what you just have to find your buster. Yeah. Another technique that where we can manage stress is sharing our feelings. We should not be scared to get judged by the other person. See, I know we belong to such a community where a smoking cigarette for a girl is very harmful. Getting less marks than the relative's child, again, it is very something that is very dangerous. The child has to listen throughout his life. then again a breakup, because we need to understand that, you know, in teenage life such things happen. And if we, you know, beat the child, hit the child for, you know, getting indulged into such things, it is wrong. We have to understand. Yeah.
Yes.
So again, a parent counseling and a parent resource program is utmost important. Child comes later, parents are the first one to be counseled about. One case study I would suggest for a child is that, you know, just being 18 years old. Just being around 18 years old, a child is basically having a lot of pressure by his friends, you know, to get involved into such substance abuse and everything. And nowadays we can also find, you know, every third child is into that.
Yes.
But hitting or beating him won't be an option for me, locking him in the room. It will just make him more insane. We should not do that. We should understand. And there are many muscle relaxation techniques where, you know, we can calm his brain. Because children nowadays are very hyperactive. There's तो issue है ही है, but behavioral management एक second issue है, जिसके साथ हमें I think बहुत जरूरी है deal करना. बच्चों की, you know, women who are conceiving after 30 in today's generation. See, every other woman has a lifestyle of, you know, sleeping late, and we do not have इतना सारा चीजें जो मतलब हमें, you know, we have to work, we have to manage household, we have to work also.
Yes.
And, you know, giving birth to a premature baby and, you know, having certain illnesses, it is very common nowadays. But a woman should know how to cope up with them. So again, the guidance for parents is very important. Child comes later, we have to teach the parents first. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, before you had joined, I was talking about there is a very minor line between pressure and stress.
Yes.
So now I want you to explain these two terms.
All right. Okay. Pressure and stress are completely different things, but yet they are interrelated. They are interdependent, but they are not the same. Stress, like I've talked, it is a biological response. And stress हमारे body में ना release करता है hormones, adrenaline and cortisol. ये दोनों hormones हमें anxious बनाते हैं, हमें depressed बनाते हैं. जब ये अगर मेरी बॉडी पे बहुत, you know, extended है, अगर मुझे लग रहा है that I'm not able to cope up with this situation, financial issues है, या I'm in a very challenging relationship, or my parents are, you know, too pressurizing me to get married. It could be different reason for, you know, everyone to cope up with stress. So it could be basically what these hormones will release and they will cause extended stress, where I will be having behavioral changes, physiological changes and psychological changes. But on the other hand, pressure is something that is what? It is a margin of what stress is. Pressure could be of a peer, of, you know, let's go out, ghar pe jhoot bol de. Children tend to do that. You know, let's lie to our parents and let's go out. Agar main unhe bataunga. So what dar hai? Pressure is just the fear that a child has, or maybe an adult has in the mind. Love marriage karni hai, but you can't take a stand. Again, these are the cases, these are the real life stories that I'm sharing with you because I'm seeing these cases, dealing with them every day. So, you know, they have to just take a stand. They can't take a stand because it is intercaste, just supposedly. So it is a pressure. It is not stress. Pressure is something where they are actually just fearful of not getting accepted.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, Khushi.
And I think, ma'am, कि pressure को हम एक positive way में लेना, तो it is always better for us. Like,
see,
you know,
stress also can be taken as a positive manner because it completely acts as a motivation. Like if I have an exam tomorrow and I'm stressed about it, it will definitely, you know, it will just trigger in my mind that yes, Shivani, get up, you have to study. So again, it's a positive manner also and negative.
Yes, that's the correct point, ma'am. Okay, so now I want our audience to question on our topic, stress management in pandemic. Okay, so till the time, ma'am, I want you to, you know, say some words about Webicon.
All right. So Webicon has been a great platform. I have been working with Webicon since few days and I have been getting many calls and everything. So I would specially thank Saksham for giving me this opportunity. And Khushi, of course, to you also. And the thirdly is Pratyash, to, you know, just always been supportive that, ma'am, you will be able to do it and everything. So thank you so much for having me here and giving me this platform to talk about something that is actually very important to be spoken about. Yeah, because
Yes,
stress is something people tend to misunderstand it. They avoid it, but they should not avoid it. They should actually deal with it in a right manner. Yeah. So I'm
yes,
really glad. Yeah, I'm really glad to be on this platform and talk about such important aspects of our daily lives. Yes. Okay, Kiara. Kiara has asked this question. Kiara, definitely, stress is something that can act as a manager. See, unless you have your yes, stress can definitely be a manager because it acts as a motivation in one manner. But it
yes,
should not turn to a wreck. It should not come to as an havoc, on your emotional equilibrium. If it
yes,
is affecting me physically, I'm gaining too much weight or I'm losing too much weight, I'm constantly having rapid thoughts that why me, so that inferiority complex, that guilt that
yes,
is being made in me throughout the time. So it is basically what it has to be broken. Seeking professional help is completely okay. Again, I would say adults needs to just generalize this, as they have generalized the LGBT community now. And I hope that,
yes,
mental health will also be generalized someday. It should be as normal as going to the gym. It should be as normal as, seeking help from a physician. So,
yes,
psychologists should also be looked in certain manner. They can manage and advise your daily being. So again,
yes, yes.
that mental health has to be taken care of. It can act as a manager until it destroys your equilibrium.
Exactly, exactly. Okay. So, ma'am, there was one more question in between.
Yes.
Stress and depression are the two different words.
Completely
तो मैम
different.
एग्जैक्टली तो स्ट्रेस ऐसी क्या सिचुएशंस आती हैं कि स्ट्रेस जो होता है वो डिप्रेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है?
All right, I'll talk about a case here that I had been, I think I was dealing with it last year. So this person had a divorce issue, but the husband was not letting her, getting divorced. And he was involved with some other women at that time. So definitely no women will accept, having husband sharing a relationship. So this person went to a psychiatrist and, immediate prescription of medicines was given. She started taking those. And, this is our frontal lobe where this is our rational capacity that every individual has. It stopped over time. The husband started drugging her on daily basis where, she stayed quiet and she accepted. So stress is something, if it is prolonged and if it is misused, it can definitely turn into anxiety disorder or depression. Eventually, depression के बाद वाला stage होता है bipolarity. अगर वो मेरा depression bipolarity में convert हो गया, then 80% there are chances where I will definitely commit suicide.
Yes.
So bipolarity and depression again, जैसे stress और chronic stress में difference है, depression and bipolarity में भी उतना ही margin difference है. Depression can still be handled अगर मुझे time से recognize हो गया,
yes.
but bipolarity cannot be. So again,
yes.
the awareness of turning into anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, having a burnout, having exhaustion, ये सारी चीजें लोगों को पता होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये कंप्लीटली एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग है, बट ये सब इंटर रिलेटेड है. ये एक के बाद स्टेप्स है जो लाइफ में आते हैं. Another disorder that it's very common nowadays among teenagers and adults also, young adults also, is obsessive compulsive disorder. Continuously having that inferiority complex. Oh, I am not beautiful enough.
Yes.
Oh, he's beating her. Maybe she's more beautiful than me, or she's more capable than me. Even if I'm giving a session or something, there are feelings that still runs into my mind where I can actually relate my personal life to.
Yes.
But again, that margin line has to be there throughout, be it stress or depression, be it bipolarity or depression, be it stress or chronic stress.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are many questions.
I
but
know.
I can't. I can't take all this.
I'll answer his question first.
Yes.
Firstly, hi. So he's asking me, how should I control my anger, ma'am? See, I think it is always better if you take your feelings out. But again, you have to know the difference of what productivity is and what unproductivity is. If you want to take your anger out, you may, just brisk walk for a second. If you
Yes.
can just take a deep breath, or you can just involve yourself into positive arena. You can hang out with your friends. But substance abuse and, hitting your family, screaming, having your frustration above them, that's not right. So you have to deal your anger in a very, personal manner. And it should be very productive.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so there is one more question. Do you think people in remote areas of country have access to such facilities of counselor?
Hi, Nilanj. Nilanj, definitely not. As we both know it, it is definitely not. But yes, we will definitely try to, generalize this mental health. We will definitely try to make it more, comfortable for people to talk about their problems. Sexual desires is one of them, where people, unwanted pregnancies. It is basically dealing with a lot of things. In rural areas, people are not, people are not even having their proper versions of, they are not getting access to these resources. Income is definitely one of the reasons, but the government should definitely take a step to approach them.
Exactly.
Yes. So accessibility and availability are two different things that the government has to work upon. Nilanj, we would definitely like to work for such rural people there.
Yes, definitely, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm feeling like कि हाँ जो एक major line थी in between pressure, stress and depression, आज वो clear हो गई. Like this is a fallacy in every one of us mind, right?
Definitely, Khushi. Yeah.
Exactly. So now it's a wrap up time, ma'am. It's nice talking to you.
Same here, Khushi. Thank you so much for having me. Please take care. And
Thank
to see
you
you
so much.
soon. Yeah. See you.
Very
Bye-bye.
good. See you.
Bye.
Bye bye.